This is what it looks like when it's storming. We already had to pull over once to stop because we couldn't see, but then it cleared up a little bit.
We're having a rain blizzard. Rain blizzard.
A rain blizzard.
Yeah. So blizzardy that you can't see through the rain. But we're going slow and being careful. Whew, I lift my car up off.
And she's a safe driver, so that's really good.
We decided not to take the interstate.
Yeah, we staying off the interstate, taking the scenic route. So if this cuts off, I'm sorry. Oh, there's a creek. Oh, I bet there's some driftwood down there. Oh, my mouth is drooling. Where's my bib so I can get it off my shirt?
There, it's letting up a little bit.
Yes. Oh, that's a weeping willow tree I just saw. I was talking about that yesterday, that I don't see them that often around here. That's my favorite tree, are the weeping willow trees. Don't forget to, oh, what is that word? Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the like. Don't forget to get the notifications regularly. And if I cut off, it's my camera that does that sometimes.
Or we ran out of battery.
No, yeah, today we could have run out of battery because I've been filming a lot, doing a lot of things. I think the airport's up this way, or did we go past it already?
We passed it.
Oh, we passed the airport because we took another route. So y'all have a great day, and oh, I'm so glad the rain stopped, or not stopped, but slowed down, because we got to get these bushes, rose bushes in my yard. Going to play in the rain some more. At least it won't be storming. And y'all have a great evening, a great day, whatever you want to call it for yourself. Yeah, here it comes again. Well, I'll catch y'all later. Bye-bye.
Bye.